Oh boy, it's gonna be a lot of work.
Oh no.
You're gonna have to get it out. All right, come on, you gotta help me. Let's pull. Teamwork
Makes the dreamy.
makes the dream work.
I'm so scared.
Are you working? I thought you said teamwork makes the dream work. All right, we got the first part set up. All right, so it seems like I'm the only one that's setting this guy up today. Yeah. What are you doing over there? Every time I turn around, you're getting distracted. Let's try it now. All right, we've got power. We've got air. We've got air. Whoa. All righty there. We got the H20 Go Cascade water park up. And now it's just time to add some water. All right, guys, so we've done the hardest part. Now it's just time to add the water and then let the fun begin. We've got water. You have 10 minutes to hide?
Yeah.
All right, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Here I come. I see you. I see you. Ah, you can't hide in there. Stick your head out. Stick your head out. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Ah. Oh. 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 Did you fall through it? Hurry up. Hurry up. He's after you. Crawl through. Crawl through. Crawl through. You're stuck? You're stuck. You can't get through.
Okay, I'm gonna use my ultimate god form. Ultimate god form! Ooh. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.
Whoa!
Dad, get in! You don't get in. I'll get you in.
Oh.
Take your shoes off.
Oh!
Dad, try it.
Oh!
Dad, there's no escape. Dad, you're not getting wet, though.
I got you now. I got you now.
Daddy,
I got you now. Oh, oh, I got you now. Oh! 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 Oh!
That's your weak shoe.
Yeah! I got ya! I got you! You gotta get out! You gotta get out! You gotta get out! Get her! 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 Oh! Get her! Get her! Get her!
Try going through that.
Get her, get her, get her.
Can I go see that?
Chris, go hard. You gotta put more force on that, Chris. Full speed ahead, full speed ahead, full speed ahead. Oh, oh.
Actually, no.
Full speed ahead. Oh, oh. Whoa! Champion! Champion! He's a champion!
I am mad! Okay, I learned what I have. Dad, one day we're gonna put this thing floating in our pool.
For what?
This one day we're gonna put this floating in our pool.
The whole thing?
Yes.
Hey, I think we could try that.
Yeah, but if I sink, I'm gonna cry out, Lord. But
Oh no, I think we could put this whole water slide in the pool.
Mommy, this whole water slide in the pool? No, no, no. We are totally gonna flip over.
Hey, well we could swim, right?
Ah! Dad, guess what? We have to go all the way down under it, all the way to back up. Are you crazy? You're killing me.
No, we can try it. We can try it. Oh, let's get up here. Let's get up here. I don't know if I'm supposed to be up here, but it's holding me. So here we go. Oh!
I made a trap.
You made a trap? Is he gonna make it through this trap, guys? Is he gonna make it through this double loopy loop trap? Are you gonna make it through? Oh!
I won.
Oh! Oh!
It's crazy. You've been on this before.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hold on, wait for me.
Okay.
We're going down together. Come,
It's
come on.
crazy though.
All right, ready, set, go!
Yeah.
All right, let's.
Shoot.
See what? Oh!
Dad? Dad, pick me back up.
You're stuck? All right, guys, so we had loads of fun in the H20 water slide, and hopefully you guys will join us next time. All right? I'll see you in the next video.